Good morning.
For motion from the supplementary cost list, item number 13.
Madam Chair, the present I is filed for implement of the newly the Commissioner Secretary PNR Department Nakalan as respondent number 6. Or because in the main content petition that is the respondent number 1. Now he's not handing over now he's no longer holding the post. So now it's become a necessary priority to implement it as respondent number 6 in the main content petition 10 of 2024. Now this is the priority.
This is supplementary, no?
Yes, ma'am.
This is supplementary item 13. Okay. This IA has been filed with a prayer for impleadment of Shri Muhammad Ali Shihab UC from the Costa Rica. Muhammad Ali Shihab IAS, the present Commissioner and Secretary, PNAR, Nagaland, as respondent number 6. Learned counsel for the petitioner, S. Walling.
Lordship.
S. Walling has stated that the respondent number 1, Shri Anup Kinchi, IAS, has already demitted the office of Commissioner and Secretary, PNAR, and therefore the new incumbent needs to be impleted in the present petition as respondent number 6. Stop. Prayer is allowed. Issue notice to the respondent number 6. The petitioner shall take steps by registered.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I may be allowed to file amended application.
Okay.
Amended content petition.
The petitioner is allowed to file an amended
Content petition.
contempt petition in pleading the present incumbent Commissioner and Secretary PNR as respondent number 6.
And then
How much
respondent
time?
respondent 2 to 6 to registered 83 days.
And petitioner shall also take steps to serve notice on respondents number 2 to 6
Registered post.
by registered post with AD within a period of 3 days from today. This is the matter of the
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Obligation.
For admission, item number 1.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I'm remembering for respondent number 3 and 4. Condemned number 3 and 4. Lordship, direction of this honorable was to grant minimum pay scale to the petitioner who are serving as contingency fixed pay employees. Recently, the government have come out with a notification of which memorandum to grant minimum pay scale to all the contingency work charge and the casual employees. So I'm placing one copy of the outer lordship notification issued by the government.
Inclusion of contingency. So your case is being considered under this scheme.
Yes, Lordship. Next page is important, Lordship.
Hmm.
Second page. Inclusion of
Inclusion
contingency.
Contingency fixed.
Here contingency in place, Lordship.
Engage with employees, schedule employees under the- Who's appearing for the respondent?
I'm for respondent number 3 and 4.
Oh, so they will be considered under this
As
scheme
per
now.
this OM, Lordship,
Hmm,
it will be given effective from 1/4/2025.
hmm,
As per the notification of his
Mm.
memorandum. So government has already resolved to grant minimum pay scale, and the direction of this honorable court was to grant minimum pay
Grand
scale.
space scale. Hmm.
Your Honorship,
So,
Yes.
if I may,
Hmm.
I'm able to take you to my contempt petition.
Hmm.
Page 27, that is the relevant part of the court order and the writ petition. Annexure 1, page 12.
Which page 27.
Page 27 is the relevant portion.
Hmm.
Bara 38 and 39 married ignorance. In view of the discussion made above and in the light of the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court, this court is no hesitation in holding that the petitioners who discharge just the same nature of work and duties as that of the regular drivers or bus conductors in sanctioned posts are entitled to the pay parity on the principle of equal pay for equal work. 39. This court accordingly directs the state respondents to pay to the petitioners the minimum scale of pay which is paid to the regular drivers and or bus conductors appointed against sanction posts, along with the errors from the date of filing of the present writ petition. All exercise for carrying out the direction of this court shall be completed out within a period of 90 days. This was the order passed by the Honorable Single Bench. And then I filed the contempt petition. And then, while pending disposal of the present contempt petition, on the last occasion, that is 11/2/2025, this Honorable Court order.
Hmm.
11/2/2025, I'll read from the second
Yes,
paragraph.
yes. What does it say?
I read from the second paragraph.
Yes.
Mr. Moimchen, the learned senior government advocate for respondent number 2, shall on the next date place the up-to-date status reports on the steps taken for complying with the judgment and order dated 27/2023. Passed in WBC 130 of 2022, it is made clear that if the report is not placed as directed, this court shall consider passing necessary orders against the respondent number 2 as regards the contempt. This order clearly
Oh,
indicates that
so
for complying the order
the
dated
status
27/2023.
report has to be placed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hmm.
And then the order dated 27/2023. Passed in WBC 130/2022.
Hmm.
Yes, the state they have done something granting minimum skill
Now,
based.
where is the status report, Mr. Moa? You were supposed to place the status report regarding the steps taken for the petitioners.
In with compliance of this Honorable Court order 27/2023.
No,
Mr.
Your Lordship, I think it is in the record.
11/12/25 order.
This was taken up, Your Lordship. Lordship did it
What?
on 29 January 2015.
No. This is before the order of 11/2. This is 31/1/25. This meeting, whereas this court's order is on 11/2/25. 11/2/25. So the court has specifically asked that you have to place the status report on the steps taken regarding the petitioners, specifically the petitioners. So in view of this 5th March 25 notification, you are supposed to take steps for giving scale pay to the petitioners. Okay, so what are the steps taken by?
That is what my friend has produced, no, Your Lordship, 5th March.
5th March is produced, no doubt. So this is after 11/2.
Correct.
So you're saying this is the status report. But you have to give a specific time frame. Now you cannot just keep it pending like this. Okay, you have come out with a scheme, that's good. But in pursuance of this scheme, how
Yes.
long will you take to comply with the direction of the court? That is the question. Because the court has given you 90 days.
Yes, yes.
90 days.
Just a clarification.
Yes.
All empty office memorandum,
Hmm,
first paragraph last sentence, worship.
hmm.
Receiving fixed fee shall be granted skill B as per the revision of this, so with effect from 1/4/25. That is the specific order.
Your Honor, here one thing is that, Your Honor,
Where is that? In the 5th March order? In
Yes,
the
first
fir-
page, conversion of which is, worship, subject. Conversion of which is. So first paragraph, last line.
In exercise of
page.
powers conferred by such and such, appointed on or before 6 June 2016 shall be deemed to be casual employees and shall henceforth come under the work charge and casual employees commission and shall be eligible for the schemes and provisions.
The other one, worship. The other office memorandum. Yes.
Uh-huh. On the recommendation of such and such, all work charge and casual employees in all the departments whose names have been duly verified by the district level verification committee and registered in PIMS receiving shall be granted scale of pay with effect from 1/4/25.
Yes.
So it's complied, isn't
yes,
it?
Your Honor, yes, but
You will receive your scale pay from 1/4/25.
Your Honor, here,
And
what,
not only you, all other similarly situated.
yes, I
persons.
agree with that, Your Honor.
Yes.
But one thing is that here, Your Honor,
We will
in that
close the petition.
No,
We'll
Your Honor.
close.
in the particular office memorandum which was placed today, here it says that appointed prior to 6 June 2016. My petitioners, some of the petitioners are appointed after 2016. And then before passing this executive order, this OM, this honorable court has clearly indicated that whether his 2018 or 19 or 2011 appointment, if he's doing similar duties like the regular employees, they shall be entitled to minimum scale of pay on the basis of honorable judgment.
No, one difference is that, see, it says with effect from 1/4/25. But in the case of the petitioners, the court has said that their arrears also should be given. Isn't
Yes,
it?
3 years.
Mm.
And then this particular, which I placed before this.
No, see, what we will do is we'll close the petition. If you are further aggrieved, you come again, okay? If your arrears are not paid. Because as of now, this scheme, this OM has covered your grievances.
Yes, on that I
Yes,
agree with,
yes.
agree, but then
Mm.
on the last occasion, the court action was clear to bring the status report. Yes,
No, this is the
they've shown that,
status.
yes, they will be granted scale
Mm.
of pay. Then what about the whole portion of the order which was passed in the writ
No,
petition?
that's right. The other part is your arrears, isn't it? So if you are not given the arrears, then
Yes.
you can come before this court again. Yes, there's no bar. Item 1. Okay, let me see item 1. Heard learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. S. Wali, as well as Mr. Wati Jamir for respondent number
3 and 4.
3 and 4, and Moy Inchen for
Respondent 2.
respondent number 2, as well as V. Zimomina for respondent number 1. This court, by its order dated 11/2/2025, had directed the learned senior government advocate, Mr. Moy Inchen, to apprise this court about the status report taken by the state respondents in complying with the judgment and order dated 27/2023, passed in WPC 130 of 2022. Stop. Today, the learned counsels for the respondents have produced a copy of the office memorandum number AR-3/GEN-67/2001, dated 5th March 2025. Which states as under, you reproduce this, okay, this whole thing. Stop. The learned counsel for the respondents 2 and 3, respondents 3 and 4, has also produced a copy of the notification number AR/legal-5/8/2024, dated 5th March 2025, wherein the government has come out with a scheme regarding contingency, fixed and wage paid employees to be deemed as casual employees. And it is stated in the said notification that a verification of such employees will be conducted on the direction of the Work Charge and Casual Employees Commission. Stop. It is further stated that the employees so verified shall be eligible for regularization under clause 1, small 1 and small 3 under bracket of the scheme for regularization and absorption of work charge and casual employees and revision of wages notified via OMO.M dated 17 March 2015. Stop. Additionally, in the office memorandum dated 5th March 2025, it has been stated that all the work charge and casual employees in all the departments whose names have been duly verified by the district level verification committee and registered in PIMS, in PIMS receiving fixed pay shall be granted scale of pay as per the revision of pay 2015 with effect from revision of pay 2015. I don't think there's any ROP 2015. No? Actually, I think this is a mistake. Anyway, as per the revision of pay 2015 with effect from 1/4/2025. Stop. Where is the judgment of the court?
Which? 3/7.
Check this.
2/7.
It is observed that this court in WPC 130 of 2022, right, order dated 27/2023, had directed the state respondents to pay the minimum scale of pay to the petitioners and also the arrears from the date of filing of the writ petition. Next paragraph. This court is of the view that the direction of this court in WPC such and such, WPC 130, no?
130 of
130 of 2022 has been complied with by the respondents by issuing the aforementioned OM dated 5th March 2025 and the notification dated 5th March 2025. Stop. Accordingly, this petition is disposed of. Stop. If the petitioner is aggrieved by non-payment of the arrears, he is at liberty to approach this court if so advised.
For admission, item number 2 and 3.
May I please, Your Worship?
Yes,
Worship, the respondent filed a reply yesterday.
okay.
So
You've received copy?
No, we have not received.
they are on the way.
You serve copy, no?
Yes, Your Worship.
We have not received copy. I have to look into it. What
Hmm.
is the IA? I think they have filed. a
If you have
reply.
already filed, then immediately a copy should be given, no? The petitioner should be given a chance to either refute or reply.
Well,
to
I
the-
have no problem, my lord. He
Hmm.
has filed it, but
Hmm.
just I want to show it. I will look into the reply and another date is different. See the impugn order that has been passed, criminal revision 3 of 2025. In criminal revision, which has been put to challenge. See page 29.
Hmm.
13th of December, this has been put to challenge. My lord will kindly look into it. The second para. Learned counsel so and so present for accused number 1. We are, because there are other accused in this case, I am appearing for accused number 1,
Hmm.
which is a petition, and also file exemption application for accused number 1, being IA number 920 and 921 2024. 920 is the application which we have filed,
Hmm.
exemption application
Hmm.
of the petitioner.
Exemption
li-
for personal appearance.
Yes, and and 921 of course is somebody accused number 3. We are not concerned.
Hmm.
And accused number 1 is the petitioner in this case.
Hmm.
Now, since with regard to A1, that is accused number 1, this court has vied its order dated 5/9/2024. Your lordship will kindly mark this. While disposing the IA, it is not 53, it is 531. It is mistake here. It is 531 of 2. I will show it why it is 531 2024 directed the A1 to be present in person. However, A1 has failed to comply with the direction of this court. Hence, non-bailable warrant issued against the A1, which was kept in abeyance, be executed. With regard to it now this is the case. So what the court is saying on this date, that 2 applications, 1 application filed by us in 920 for exemption.
Hmm.
We came to the court, our lawyer appeared before the learned trial court, filed an application that is 920, seeking exemption of the petitioner in this case. We are not concerned about A3 because I am not appearing for A3.
Hmm.
Now, while this was filed, then what, my lord, the court said that already we have passed an order, but that order has not been complied, that to be present in the court.
Hmm.
So the non-bailable warrant which has been issued,
See,
earlier.
Mr. Das, what happens is when exemption is allowed,
Yes.
the court usually gives for a specific day.
correct,
It doesn't mean that the exemption can continue.
correct. That
Okay.
was given. a
So
day.
every appearance,
Correct,
if
yes,
you
right.
want to be exempted, then you have to keep on
Your
filing.
lordship is absolutely correct.
Yes.
What I want to show it,
So-
5/9, the court with greatest respect to the learned trial court,
Hmm.
5/9/2024 There is another order on 18/10/2024, which was overlooked by the court. I'll show my lord how it was overlooked, because this order is 1312.
Okay.
This order is 1312. So the court has taken into consideration only 5/9/2024. Court has overlooked. Your lordship is right. Every date you have to file an application for exemption. Now, when I appear and I represent any of the client, we file an application for exemption. Now, court will exempt only on that day.
Yes, exactly.
And it will be next date, another date will be fixed. Now, in this case, the court has overlooked 1810. Why? How? Now, your lordship will look into 5/9/2024 order, which your lordship will find at page 63. Kindly see page 63. So,
63.
yes, my lord will kindly note down IA 531 of 2024. Your lordship has seen, no? This is 53. I told your lordship at page 29. This is disposing IA. Kindly see 29. Kindly see 29. This is while disposing the IA 53. It is should be 531. Yes, that's what I am saying. It should be 531. Now, recalling application. My lord, why this recalling application we have filed? Because of on an off date, that is 2/7/2024. My lord, before going to 5/9/2024, your lordship will please look into how the case has been registered. It will be more clarity of this. Keep 5/9/2024 in one hand. Kindly see page 34, how the case started. It will be easier for your lordship. Case started. 34. Kindly see page 34. Money laundering case number 01/2024. Kindly see on the top. Money. So this was the first date of 22/3/2024. Now, if your lordship looks into YP Gupta so and so, learned counsel peruse the record, a complaint under section 44/45 of so and received, along with the report of investing in the form of charge sheet for the offence made punishable under so and so. From the perusal of the charge sheet and the accompanying materials placed on record, there being a prima facie case, cognition is taken for the offence of money laundering and the case record is taken into the file. Registered this case as money laundering case, issued summon to all the accused. 299 accused person made returnable on 24/5 for supply of copies. So, my lord, this is the first date where the complaint was filed and cognition was taken by the court. And summons were issued and returning on 24/5/2024. On that day, my lord will kindly see, accused was not named as an absconder, your lordship, on that day. And ED did not press for any presence of the accused on that day, because nothing has been reflected here. Now, if you turn to page 35, next date which was fixed, 22,
24.
next date 24/5. See 24/5, page 35. See this third paragraph, my lord. Mr. Hemant Shah, learned counsel for accused number 1. So and so, I am talking about accused number 1. Please turn to next page 36. Learned counsel for ED at page 36 on the top. Learned counsel for the ED is present along with the IO, and they are to furnish copy of learned counsel for the parties for argument on charge on 2/8/2024. For hearing on exemption application on 7/6/2024. So on that day, that is on 24/5/2024, copy has not been furnished by the ED on at page 35. So the next date was fixed. Kindly see at page 36. Kindly see page 36. Learned counsel for ED is present along with IO. They are to furnish copy of the to the learned counsel party. So they did not furnish any copies to us for argument on charge on 2/8/2024. So next date for hearing the on charge was on 2/8/2024. Kindly see after second now for hearing, same at page 36. On hearing on exemption application, page 36 on the
For
top.
hearing on the exemption.
Exemption
application.
on 7/6/2024. So the next date was argument on charge on 2/8/2024, exemption application on 7/6/2024. Now your lordship will kindly see the next date, 7/6/2024. Kindly see none appeared at page 36. 36 itself, my lord. 36,
Oh,
7/6.
Bottom.
Yes, bottom. None appeared for the ED. Nobody appeared. See 37 next page. 37 down below. Last line. The exemption, the application for exemption of A1 and the application for hearing of the case in hybrid mode will be heard separately. Now kindly turn to page 38. Heard the argument of learned counsel matter is part heard. Mr. YP Gupta, learned so and so for the ED makes his subsequent appearance, files his written reply to the application, also makes his submission, order is kept reserved. Correct? That's the position, my lord. Now your lordship will kindly see, if your lordship once again tends to page 36, once again 36. So for argument on charges was on 2/8/2024. So next date was 2/8/76. 7/6, personal experience was not, personal exemption was not required. Till appearance was not required. Till 7/6/2024 or 2/8/2024. Now my lord will kindly see on an off date, that is on 2/7/2024 at page 38. Kindly see page 38.
Page 38.
38, kindly see, my lord, in between. If you see 2/8, prior to that 2/7/2024, this is an off date. That means, my lord, an application was moved, that is IA 230 of 2024 by the ED.
Hmm.
They moved an application for issuance of non-bailable warrant.
Hmm.
So that was file IA 230. We did not know because I was not present. In my absence, that IA was filed 230 of 2024.
2/7/2024.
Yes, that IA was filed for issuance of a non-bailable warrant of arrest. And hardly learned counsel order is kept reserved. Lordship got it? Order is kept reserved. Now I will show that order. Page 60, kindly see that order. Page 60 is the order. See, page 60 is the order. So IA 230, kindly see at page 60, that order. 230 on the top, IA 230 of 2024. If your lordship looks into 02 paragraph, see 02 paragraph, page 60. This instant application under section 70 of so and so, read with section 65 of prevention of money laundering case is filed. Complainant applicant for Directorate of Enforcement through his assistant director so and so. Issuance of open-ended non-bailable warrant of arrest against the accused Mr. Bhupesh Arora. Now my lord will kindly see, these are all allegations which I will not trouble your lordship, not so very important. See, yes, we are on the procedure, not on the merit of the case. See page 61, the last paragraph. Learned SPP submit that summons under section 52 of PMLA dated 13/1/2023 and 23/2/2023 on 1/5/2023, 27/9, 18/12 and 21/2/2024 were issued to the accused Bhupesh Arora, but he never appeared before the investigating agency. Even the order dated 25/9/2023 of the Honorable Gauhati High Court, Kohima bench to cooperate with the investigation was not complied by the accused. It is submitted the accused is evading the investigation, deliberately not joining the investigation, and is presently absconding. It is also submitted the presence of the accused is required by the investigating agency for collecting evidence and also pertinent information which is within his personal knowledge exclusive domain. The non-cooperation of the accused delaying the proceeding, and there is result.
Wait 1 minute, Mr. Das. Kedovi, are you prepared to argue on the IA today?
No,
Because.
since I.
You have already filed your
Yes.
affidavits.
No, it's no
reply.
problem, my lord.
Uh,
I will, he has to get a chance. Just I am
No,
showing,
no.
I'm just showing.
No. If we are not going to take up,
Yes.
then there's no point in hearing all the details, no?
Mm.
Yes,
We will, since this court has already stated on the last occasion that no coercive action will be
Yes,
taken.
that will
So
continue.
that can continue, and then we can hear
Yes, my lord.
on this
Yes,
interim.
let him furnish the copy today itself.
Mm.
yes,
You'll
Wha-
furnish
no.
today.
yes, Your Worship.
Why I have showed, my lord, why I have showed, is not that I know that wasting of court's time.
Mm.
Why I have showed because this order
Mm.
of which has passed 13/12/2024 has a ramification of that criminal appeal which has been filed. If today, if
No,
you're,
see, if this court is not going to hear the matter
no, it's just
finally,
fine. No,
because today is the last day of this bench.
no,
Okay.
no problem, because
So-
your lordship will not be here, I think,
Yes,
next week.
next week I will not
I
be.
think your lordship will
Next
be
4
some other
weeks, next 4
outlying
weeks,
benches.
this bench is not here.
Your lordship
Mm.
will be some outlying benches.
Yes. So, might as well fix it on another date.
Yeah.
And, when both the councils are
Let
ready.
it be, because our urgency is, let it be
And
fixed
then
on
that ad interim will continue.
21st, your lordship will fix it. 21st. 21st.
21st
21st of this month.
March. Yes.
Yes.
And in the meantime, you've supplied the
Yes,
copy
Your Worship.
today. Learned counsel for learned PP,
Yes.
your PP, no?
SPP.
Learned SPP for the enforcement director, Shri Kedovi Zutso, has submitted that he has filed his reply affidavit
Yes,
to the IA today.
Mm.
Today or
Yesterday.
yesterday. A copy of the same has not been furnished to the learned counsel for the petition. A copy of the same shall be furnished today. Stop. Please the matter on 21st March 2025 for hearing on the
IA.
interim prayer, IA 4 of 2025. Stop. Till the next date, the ad interim order passed on 7/3/2025 shall continue. Please this matter along with criminal appeal 1 of 2025.
Your lordship will just mention interim order will be considered on that date.
No. Stop. No. The interim
Prayer.
interim prayer will be considered on the next date.
Yes, sir. Same order takes criminal appeal.
Same order in
Criminal appeal.
the bill 1 of 2025.
Third is the same, but, no, it's not here.
21st.
Interim order will continue.
Yes, I've
Yes.
already.
Deeply obliged.
For orders, item number 4.
Your lordship,
Yes.
I'll be representing respondent number 5, 6, and 7 here. I'll be filing by Ratnatnama
Okay.
on behalf of those 5, 6, and 7.
And respondent number 1 is in Commissioner. You're supposed to file your counter affidavit.
In fact, if you see, Your Lordship, one has limited role to play, as it is relating to the payment of the time-bound scale of pay, which respondent number 1 actually has got no role.
So it's mainly 5, 6, and 7.
Yes.
Mr. Moa Imchen.
Your Lordship, I'll be representing respondent.
Yes, 1 minute. Mr. Moa Imchen has entered appearance for respondent number 5 and 6 and has prayed for some time to file his 5, 6, and 7.
Yes, 5, 6.
5, 6, and 7 and has prayed for some time to file his counter affidavit along with Vakalatama. Shri Musamsa Longkumar appears for respondent number
3. I'll
3.
also be filing
Respondent
my
number 3. And he has also prayed for some time to file his Vakalatnama and counter affidavit. Mr. V. Jimomi appears for respondent number 2 and 4, same prayer. And he also has the same prayer. Mr. K. N. Angami appears for the respondent number 1.
Lordship,
Learned
this matter
counsel.
may be listed after 3 weeks.
2 weeks. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. S. Wanning is present. List the matter of the 3 weeks in order to enable the respondents to file their vakalatnama and the counter affidavit.
Obligation.
For orders, item number 5.
Lordship,
Here also
this matter is also same.
time, need time.
This is compassionate.
On the last occasion, the state council took time, I think, here also.
Lordship, even this, in this matter, I am appearing for respondent number 1 only.
Mm,
Respondent number 2, 3, and 4, your Lordship.
mm.
I think notice upon them is,
Maybe notice is
Eh,
awaited.
yes, my lord.
When did you take steps? 13/2. 25/10/2024. Okay. It appears that notice, service of notice is still awaited. Can you take steps again? Who are the other
Look for
respondents?
respondent number 3, government advocate Tiba. On last occasion, Tiba form appeared.
For 3,
Yes, ma'am.
then 1, that, so that means 1 and 3 are represented. Then 2 and 4,
My lord, in that case, let me, kindly allow me 2 weeks to file an IA for impleadment of, the new respondent number 5. Since, the commission is
change,
secretary to the
change.
government of Nagaland. was transferred.
it has changed, I think.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Anyway, that you file, court need not give you permission. Acha, learned counsel for the petitioner, Miss S. Chang.
Christine.
Okay, Christine is present. Learned counsel N. Nangami appears for respondent number 1. The respondent number 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are not represented till date, and it appears that notice is not complete regarding the respondent number 2 and 4. It is also stated that Mr. Tipa Pong is appearing for the respondent number 3. Stop. This is the matter of the 3 weeks. And the petitioner is also given liberty to file for impleadment of the new incumbents.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
For orders, item number 6.
Lordship is also same as a grant of its affair.
Bill of pay.
So in the line of there's 2 revisions. It might frame a case. We can close off this contempt petition.
Let it in the direction. Where is the court's order? Page 8.
Okay, 11 portion, your Lordship, at page 11.
Upon hearing the learned counsel for the parties and taking the original, this court is. You have seen this OM, no?
Yes, my lord.
It covers your case.
Yes.
Heard learned counsel for the petitioner as well as respondent number, as well as Mr. Moa Imchen for respondent
Lordship,
number 2 and 3.
I am for 2 and
2
3.
and 3, comma, Mr. V. Zimomi for respondent number 4 and 5.
And for
And
respondent 6.
Mr. Muslim Salonkamer for respondent number
6.
6. Stop.
Lordship, I am for respondent number 1.
And Mr. N. Nangami for respondent number 1. Stop. At the outset, the learned counsels for the respondents has produced the office memorandum number AR-3 GEN-67/2001 dated 5th March 2025, as well as notification number AR/legal-5/8/2024 dated 5th March 2025. Stop. The learned counsels for the respondents have submitted that in view of this office memorandum and the notification dated 5th March 2025, the direction of this court in WPC 225 of 2022 dated 21/5/2024 has been substantially complied with. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has no objection to the same. Stop. The petition is therefore closed and stands disposed.
For item number 7.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm representing the V. Shokre, additional AG. Lordship, she is representing the respondents hearing, your lordship. Lordship,
All the
is-
respondents.
Yes, your lordship, I'm told. Lordship, because of some personal difficulties,
Oh,
she
there's
could-
only one
Yes.
respondent.
Your Lordship, I'm representing on behalf of my senior, him.
They are asking for some time.
Yes,
Learned counsel and Nangami has prayed for some time on behalf of MS V. Shukre, additional AG, as she has some difficulties today. It is prayed that she will be allowed to, how much time?
3 weeks time, my lord.
3 weeks time. Has she filed her affidavit? Not yet.
Not yet, my lord.
To file her counter affidavit. Stop. The petitioner has no objections. Stop. List the matter after 3 weeks in order to allow the respondent to file the counter affidavit.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
Much obliged.
For item number 8.
May I please,
This
my
is
lord?
that same global university matter.
My
You
lord,
complied, I think. You've
Yes.
already got everything, no?
Yes.
So this is item 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? Same order in all. On the last occasion, this court on 4/3/2025 had instructed the petitioner to seek instructions in view of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 2. Stop. This court has observed that the directions of this court in WPC 115 of 2024. This is actually different writ petitions, okay? Yeah, but the order will be same. In WPC 115 of 2024 has been complied with. So the petitioner has been represented by the learned counsel. Who? Your name? Asa Rutsa, and has submitted that the petition may be closed as the directions have been complied with. Accordingly, the petition is disposed of and is closed and disposed.
much obliged.
Same order in all the others, but only the writ petition will be different. Writ petition will be different.